The Nigerian government has launched a comprehensive initiative to validate the national animal feed and fodder policy, aiming to bolster the country's agricultural sector and drive economic growth. Animal feed and fodder are the backbone of Nigeria's livestock production system, and the policy seeks to address the sector's long-standing challenges and unlock its full potential. The policy aims to increase feed and fodder production by 20% annually. It seeks to establish regulatory standards for quality and safety. It aims to promote commercial livestock practices among at least 50% of farmers within 5 years. Animal feed and fodder are the lifeblood of any sustainable national livestock production system. I urge you to ensure that this document is not only visionary but practical, one that can be implemented at both national and subnational levels, said Minister of Livestock Development, Idi Mukhtar Maiha. The workshop, which brought together key stakeholders across the livestock value chain, provided a platform for the minister to emphasize the policy's importance and its potential to drive economic growth. Feed quality, availability, and coordination are the long-standing challenges that the policy seeks to address. The key objectives of the National Feed and Fodder Policy: 1. Increase feed and fodder production by 20% annually. 2. Establish regulatory standards for quality and safety. 3. Promote commercial livestock practices among at least 50% of farmers within 5 years. Mrs. Winnie Lysolarin, Director of Monogastric and Ruminants at the Ministry, welcomed the participants and acknowledged their input during the drafting stages of the policy. It is gratifying that, with the establishment of the Ministry of Livestock Development, we are now validating this document. It is the right thing to do at this time. Professor Maikano Ari, President of the National Animal Feed and Fodder Participatory Platform, pledged the platform's full support for the implementation of the policy. We have been part of this journey from the beginning and will make this document a central part of our work plan. The policy is designed to encourage a competitive feed and fodder industry, foster public-private partnerships, and establish a conducive regulatory environment. Building an ecosystem that supports better nutrition, livestock productivity, and ultimately the well-being of our citizens is the ultimate goal. Address seasonal feed shortages. Encourage private sector involvement. Promote inclusive participation, especially of women in livestock development. The National Feed and Fodder Policy also aims to address the need for inclusive participation, especially of women, in livestock development. This is a critical aspect of the policy, as women play a vital role in livestock production and can be a key driver of growth in the sector. The final draft of the policy will be presented to the Federal Executive Council, FEC, for approval in the coming weeks. This is a major milestone in the implementation of the policy and underscores the government's commitment to its success. The policy validation workshop marks an important step forward in the implementation of the policy, and the government's commitment to its success is evident. With the policy in place, the Nigerian livestock sector is poised to become a major contributor to national food security and economic diversification. The workshop has provided a platform for key stakeholders to come together and discuss the policy's key objectives and its potential to drive economic growth. The collaboration and cooperation among stakeholders are crucial to the policy's success. In conclusion, the National Animal Feed and Fodder Policy is a comprehensive initiative that seeks to address the long-standing challenges in Nigeria's livestock sector and unlock its full potential. The policy's key objectives, including increasing feed and fodder production, establishing regulatory standards, and promoting commercial livestock practices, are designed to drive economic growth and improve the well-being of citizens.